Good morning, friend. Good morning, all of you. I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. Today, we are going to discuss about the safety performance. If you have a safety professionals, all of you, good morning. So, guys, today we are talking about the safety performance and and standards 3786 1983. So how to calculate safety performance, how to identify the safety performance. This is a good thing and good way. As a safety professionals, you should know what is your safety performance indicators in your construction organizations. As I am safety professional, so also try to speak more about the safety, because this is a very important for you and organization. So what is the first we should understood what is the safety performance. Safety performance of an organization an absolutely reliable manifestations of the quality of management with respect to safety. Means if you are working a safety professional, then this is what are the your quality of work and management at your workplace, that call safety performance. So you should focus on quality of work. If you have a safety professional and safety managers, then try to focus on a quality of work. Suppose whatever you are doing, if you are doing the barricading work, then must be quality improvement. Quality should be must at your work. Then we can perform the good quality of work at your project, and maybe your organizations increase the occupational health safety management at your workplace. So guys, there are some terminology terminology about the safety performance. First, good management. If you are going to analysis and safety performance, then first you understood that good management system and efficient operation, good quality of work, minimize the losses and good profit, and high employee moral and goodwill and good public image in your field. If you are going to identify and grow your safety performance, then management and organizations increase in business and in and and develop your organization. And efficient operations, if you are taking safety precautions, safety performance, then also increase your operation. If you are doing any work, some people say to safety is a barrier, safety is a obstructions of work, but this is not such of things we can oppose them. Safety is a smooth. If you are going to safe work, this is a very smooth process of operation. But some people are saying safety is very difficult to manage at construction project, because of they are hammering on, they are hundreds of work, but this is not perfect, you can say that. So efficient operations, if you are a managing good safety performance, then your operations will be increased and smoothly go on, and support the good quality of work. If you are maintaining the safety, then quality and moral will be boost of all those people working in your project. Because of workers also fear only one thing: what are the safety precautions we are taking at your workplace, what are the safety gears and safety equipments provided by the organization, and what are the safety at your workplace. Because of this is a playing with the life. Workers, many workers come to native place. This is only one expectations. First is their more um, profit and more salary, and health is a very important, and how to save up health. So minimize loss if boost of moral of worker and those people working in your organizations, and good profit if you are going to use of good safety performance. So good profit and goodwill your organization. Suppose that you know that if you are not indicating and indicating your safety performance weekly and monthly and yearly basis, then maybe decrease and maybe increase of accident incident ratio. You can see that in our upon earth there are many types of many organizations doing the constructions work, but every organization should not a maintaining good health safety cultures, but only for certifications course taking. But if you are, if the organizations are not taking taking safety precautions during their work, then the that the organizations not more than working in field. Because now right now there are safety and quality is very important. Each and every clients are aware about those things. You know that in you know that already in Pune 5-6 people died due to accident in construction project, and every month there are happen one accidents at the construction project. So after that accident also goodwill be very, company organizations moral also decrease, and very low low tendering, nobody taking the nobody giving the work and work orders, because of they are already there are already happen accident. So guys, safety performance indicator should be must, and every safety professionals must be study about things. So how to study is safety study. How to study? If you are going to making a data of safety performance, then how to study? So first OHS policy already he told you and already discussed about the safety management's topic. So again we are discussing. First you should prepare, you should have to have OHS policy, good safety planning, and implement an operation, checking and corrective actions during the your workplace. Sometimes weekly and monthly management's review meetings. Suppose that your project base, your corporate base, so monthly management's review meeting, continual safety improvements, scope of improvement and opportunity in the market, and innovative some things you should do. and continual improvements like the opportunity scope of improvements, you can say. So this is a study. If you are a safety professional, you should be ready to study these types of terminology and managements of OHS safety management system. Reducing how to reduce the accident incident rate in your construction projects. If you are going to make a safety performance, then reduce incident accident. How to you can reduce, how how to reduce of accident incident rate in your project, in your construction project and any industry. So first, technology and standards. First, focus on terminology and standards. What are the standards? Standards defined. You know that hierarchy, risk of control, hierarchy controls. So there are 5 hierarchy control are there. First is their substitutions, and first is their eliminations, second is their substitutions, and third is their engineering controls, fourth is their administrative control, and fifth is their PP control. So guys, this is a standard of risk control, how to risk mitigate, how to hazards minimize. So guys, there are also mentioned in this standards engineering improvements. You should improvements of engineering controls at your workplace and hardware and new technology incorporate in your organization. Suppose that if you are using a latest Hilti machines, then you know that previous machines and new machines, there are many types of difference. You know that Hilti machines, we are using wireless Hilti machines, so there are also risk will be minimized. So incorporate that types of things, all project vertically improvements on every project. Safety emphasize must be determined every safety related the safety and EHS compliances. EHS compliances like your safety observations, project manager observation, any visitors observing something, any client observations, internal audit observations, external audit observations, some third party inspections report. So compliance should be done on priority basis as per given the timelines by the auditor and by the inspector, by the observer. Also list of legal requirements, which are legal requirements, then you should comply on timeline. So this is a reducing this is a process of reducing incident at your workplace. HSC management system. Next is HSC management. Integrated OHS policy must be there. So reporting system, also make a reporting system. If in case of any accidents happen, then protocol must be followed. And nowadays, you know that many organizations hide and skip the near misses and first aid cases and accidents, and so, and don't like to highlighted with the client. Because of I am also working with a client organization, but there are many contractor are there and also PMC are there, but they want to skip, but this is not good for us. So every near miss and incident and first aid cases must be highlighted and take corrective actions about those things happen. Because if you are try to hide, if you are try to skip that types of cases, then also this increase of accident ratio, because of if you are because of you are not taking actions about the incident and first aid cases. So reporting system must be developed and competency of worker, competency of office staffs, all those peoples working with your organization, then must be test of must be competent level, all those peoples working. And risk management system, risk management system must be developed, and there are all peoples are freedom to mitigate the risk. Do not any hesitations, do not any criticism about the risk management. So clear and freedomly you can you should mitigate the risk at your project. So that is a part of HSC management system. Next is improvements culture. How to improvement safety cultures? This is a big question. If you are working a safety professional, this is a challenge also. How to develop a good health safety culture? So first focus on behavior. Behavior is a very important, very, we can say, the very tough to implementations of behavior, and observe the behavior. How to observe behaviors? By your safety monitoring, and by the discussion, by the observation, by the communications. So safety behavior must be improvement. Lot of safety behaviors are there, so many people are argumenting and oppose the safety system. So must be considered and must be focused on behavior based safety at your workplace. This is a very good scope of improvement. If you are not focusing on behavior, there may be happen a big major accidents, because of behavior is a very dangerous. So must be observed. So this is a positive thing. If behavior is good, then 100% develop your organization with respect to safety. Visual leadership. Visual leadership means, you know that in nowadays every organizations and every senior management talking about the criticism, don't focusing on work, and everything confidential, doing something wrong. So this is not good. Every leadership, if you are a leadership is a very clear and very visualizations of work, and transparent, don't game and blame. So this is also depend on leadership. If leader is good, leader is a good, then hope to improvements good health safety cultures at your workplace. Accountability. Accountability is a part. Everyone must be accountable about the job, about the responsibility whatever given by the organizations. Because if you are not taking, if they are not taking good not taking the accountability of work, then there are maybe mistakes, and maybe happen some incident. Share purpose and belief. What are the belief and what are the purpose? You know that what is the purpose and what is the belief. You can and say that if you are working at 10 people under your control, everyone must be believe on yourself and on self, and make a teamwork. Because if you are not believe on your teamwork, there is many gap. So believe and purpose, why we are believing on this situation, on this teamwork. So this is a very important. If you are any gap, then must be developed. Align performance. Everyone must be in line about the safety performance. And if you are taking a safety precaution, if you are taking a good decisions, then everybody must be support them. Commitments is a very good things of an improvement cultures. If you are committed persons, then you can and hope to positive and performance is very performance will be very good. Safety performance will be increased. So we can say commitment is a part of improvements. If good commitments and improvements, that is also increase of safety performance. HSC delivers and business value. Know about the HSC deliver and know about your business value. If you are just good way working with respect to safety, then also organizations must be develop and increase and more profitable, will be more profitable. So this is a major things. And safety performance, why safety performance is important, what are their obstructions, what are their challenges, and how to identify and highlighted them, and make a data. As a safety professionals, everyone needs to be prepared key performance safety performance report, then show them your senior managements, and where is poor, then and focus on improvements. Thanks for watching my video, guys.